Hello guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In today's video, we are going to answer a Xenea wallet step by step. So let's go together. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for Xenea wallet, so today we are on 14th March. So let's go and answer for our daily quiz together. So let's click on today's quiz. To start a quiz. So this question here is, which of the following is the fully diluted valuation FTV? So here it is. The answer is as physical as you can see. Answer is number 2, which is B. So our maximum supply times market price is the correct answer. So let's click on it. Here we have clicked the correct answer for a Xenea wallet 14th March. So let's click on mission. Again, don't forget to come over here for this force because that is a daily check-in point that we are used to accumulate daily. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.